Welcome! In this video, we'll explore the concept of a value proposition, its importance in learning and development, and how to use our free FigJam template from Ally to enhance your course design. A value proposition, designed by Alexander Osterwalder for businesses and can be found on Strategizer, is a clear, concise statement that defines how a product or service benefits its users. It explains the unique value you offer and how it addresses the specific needs or problems of your target audience. In the context of learning and development, a strong value proposition helps you design training programs that are not only relevant but also compelling. It ensures that your content is tailored to meet the needs and goals of your learners, making your training more effective. Plus, it's a great tool for communicating the purpose of your learning product to the stakeholders. Here's how to use the Value Proposition Canvas template in FigJam. This template is divided into two main sections: Learner Profile and Course Offering. Begin with the Learner Profile. Fill in details about your learners. What are their needs, goals, and challenges? This will help you understand their perspective and tailor your content accordingly. Next, turn to the Course Offering section. Outline how your course will address the needs identified in the learner profile. Describe the key features, benefits, and overall value that your course will deliver. By using this template, you can ensure that your course design is closely aligned with your learners' needs, leading to more engaging and effective training experiences. Get the free Value Proposition Canvas template from Ally using the link below. It's a practical tool to help you create impactful learning experiences. Thanks for watching and happy designing!